which are present in cloud computing. And we know that the clients by different type of devices can connect to the internet and use these services. Yes, Saif, please talk about this shortly. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. الأنظمة الموزعة يمكن استخدامها كأداة مساعدة من خلال عرض الموارد الموزعة كسلعة أو منفعة، والتي يتم توفير الموارد من قبل موردي الخدمة اللي يتم إيجارها بشكل فعلي بدلا من امتلاكها من قبل المستخدم النهائي. المصطلح الحوسبة السحابية هو التقاط لرؤية الحوسبة كأداة مساعدة. تلاحظون انه بالمثال اللي امامنا ظاهر هو انه خلال خدمات الانترنت يتعامل الكلاينت عبر الموبايل او الكمبيوتر للوصول الى خدمة معينة، شراء منتج او غيرها من الامور، تصفح او غيرها من انجاز المهام عبر شبكة الانترنت من قبل اليوزري اللي يحب يستخدم هذا الامر. اوكي سعد.
Mustafa asked, Director, please, how can security and privacy issue be faced in using cloud computing? Uh, uh, the security and privacy issue are very, very important in cloud computing. And from some years up to some years ago up to now, this is a more important topic, more significant topic in research in many university in different countries. We know that. Yes, the techniques which are presented for security are so high and so different. Okay, we cannot talk about this, but we know that if you want to uh, uh, find the recent techniques which are introduced in cloud computing, especially for the cloud, for the security, you can you can search and research about the security in IoT, in Internet of Things, because we know that the cloud computing is infrastructure which is used for Internet of Things, and okay, we know that it's very important because the different variety of different user can connect to cloud, and so it can be different attacks can be um, uh, occur on the cloud computing. So the attacks and the security techniques are categorized in different levels, in different types, and you can search about it. But by the recent search about the security in IoT. I will talk about the node failure in the cluster. Um, we know that the cluster include two types of matching. One of them is master node, and others is compute node. The middleware, and usually I can say the master node is responsible for each node failure. The master node spread the load, spread the task between the matches between the compute node, and if the compute node, if one compute node doesn't respond, uh, uh, the master node is responsible to choose another matching and send the task to different matches. Okay, so the node failure is important, that the node failure, the node is master or uh, the node is the compute node. The compute node is not so hard because the master node is responsible to manage the task. Okay, so the tasks which are sent to the node which is failure. Okay, these tasks should spread between other matches, but okay, in the previous okay. SaaS is a software as a services Qasim, but one pass and I stand for. Qasim, please search about these in the internet. This is very usual, and you can some appropriate uh, definition, appropriate example of these services is so simple. Okay, I think that's enough for today. We can finish the class now, and inshallah in the next session, I will going to finish this topic and start new topic. In the next session, I'm going to talk about the cluster computing, inshallah, and I'm going to talk about the more details of cluster computing, inshallah, in the next session. Okay, is there a question? Thank you all participants. Thank you, Say, for translation. Okay,
Thank
you're
you, sir.
welcome. You're welcome. Uh, okay, have a good time. Bye for now. Thank you and bye for now. خواهش میکنم. خدا حافظ شما. متشکرم و خدا حافظ. خدا حافظ شما. متشکرم. شکرا. شکرا. خدا شما را حفظ کنه. خدا نگهدار شما. خدا حافظ.